Viewers, hi, how are you today? I'm Brady, and welcome to another vlog. We're going to do a food vlog, because people on the internet do this. And they have some nice burritos. They're all cooked, and they look delicious. Put you guys up here so I can open the fridge and see what else I can put on my burritos. I can open the freezer, too. Let's see. I'll probably put... Oh, here we go. Taco sauce. This goes good on burritos. Put you guys down here so I can pour my sauce. That's a lot of sauce. That's a lot of sauce. Oh, give you a little peek at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Probably not. That's a lot of sauce. So I think I'm gonna scarf those down and be right back. I just scarfed it down. See? Now it's just a mess. It was good. You wanna know what I'm playing? Well, I'll give you a little show you. I'll show you what I'm playing. Can you guess? You can probably see a replay down there. Yeah. I'm playing some nuts and bolts. I actually like this game. I don't know why people don't like it. I actually like it. Maybe it's just me. Well, a couple hours went by. Colton did call, and he called about an hour ago, so it's about 3. So just waiting for a phone call. Let's see. And then after Colton calls, I gotta call Davis, which you've probably seen in the video, the Hang Out with the Boys video. Gotta get a hold of him after that, and then, I don't know, do something. We'll figure it out when time comes. So yeah. Well, it's that time of the day again where I have to end the video and put it on the internet. We were going to do something with Colton today, but yet he got busy. So, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. So, yeah. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Oh, I could do this. I could leave this in the comments. Do any of you guys, this is the question I'm going to give you guys. Do any of you guys like Banjo-Kazooie, nuts and bolts? I do. I know it's not the 3D platformer everyone wanted, but it's good. So I'm going to leave you with that question for today. Do you guys like nuts and bolts? Well, I better upload this video. Yep. Good night. See you in the next episode.